Welcome to 1-99 for Quarterback Lane in the beautiful city of Fishers, Indiana, where elegance meets comfort. Step into the spacious living area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. The Gourmet kitchen features high-end appliances, custom finishes, and plenty of space to bring your culinary creations to life. Enjoy meals in the bright and inviting dining area, ideal for gatherings with family and friends. A versatile bedroom on the main floor offers space for guests or a home office. Convenient access to the attached garage keeps life organized and easy. The stylish powder room is perfect for guests. Head upstairs to a spacious landing area, ideal as a lounge, reading nook, or play space. Another bright and comfortable bedroom offers flexibility for any lifestyle. A cozy third bedroom, perfect for family or visitors. The master suite is a luxurious retreat with generous space and natural light. Its private and suite bathroom offers both comfort and style, your own personal sanctuary. An additional full bathroom upstairs ensures convenience for everyone. With a private backyard and easy access to local amenities, this home is the perfect blend of style, comfort, and convenience. Don't miss the chance to make it yours.